Hello and welcome back to Laravel 6 tutorial. In this episode, we'll be talking about the model factories. So, Laravel has a feature called models factories, okay? That allows you to build a fake data to your models. It's very useful for testing and setting fake data into your database to see your code in action before your real user data comes in. So let's go through this feature and see how we can use it by building a Laravel application. For that we need a model and a migration. I will be using the tutorial model and the tutorials migration that I have created in the previous episode. Now we need to create a database seed. Database seeds are a way of creating a fake data and adding it to your database. It helps you get fake data quickly than creating it manually. Okay, let's create a seed for tutorials table. To do that, we need to run this following command: php artisan make seeder. Okay, and it's gonna be tutorials seeder. Okay, now that we have created seed for tutorials table, it needs some instruction. Okay, we need to create a model factory for that. Now let's create a new factory for tutorials table. For that we need the following command: php artisan make factory, and the name of our factory is tutorial factory. Okay, and we can specify the name of our model. Okay, model is tutorial. Okay, tutorial. Now let's take a look at this factory. It's inside database factories. Okay, and here is our tutorial factory. Okay, now we need a fake data for our tutorial name. Okay, we write name and we use the $faker. Okay, and we call a method, for example, name. Okay, that will generate a fake name for our tutorials. Okay, now that we have created our factory and create our first fake data, we need to open the tutorials table seeder and modify the run method by the following. I'll show you that just a second. Now migrations in our seeds table, we have tutorials seeder. Okay, now in tutorials seeder I need this following factory. Okay, factory, and inside we call the app slash tutorial. It's our model. Okay, tutorial and 10. Okay, and we call the create method. Okay, now we build a tutorial class of its factory, and it will create it by saving it into the database. Since we want 10 tutorials in our database, it will do it 10 times. Okay, now that we have created our table seed, we need to go to database seed. Okay, we need to go to database seed and add our tutorial table seeder. Okay, inside of users table seeder I will just modify by tutorial. It's tutorials seeder. Okay, tutorials table seeder. Okay, now Now that we have added the tutorials table seeder in our database seeder, we can run it through the console. Since we have already migrated our database, we can run the following command. Okay, and it is php artisan database seed. Okay, I make a mistake here. Our class is not tutorials table seeder, it's just tutorial seeder. Okay, I need to modify this and run this command again. Okay, here we go. It seeds our database. Now to see that, we need to run php artisan serve and say that in our browser, php artisan serve. Okay, I'll visit that in our browser. Now if I refresh, here we go, we got our fake data displaying. Okay, so that's all for this episode. See you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.